आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया का ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle, 6 July 2020. In the country has increased the number of COVID-19 by the 6,97,413 and recover cases are 4,24,433. Now the state-wise scenario of COVID-19 in the Maharashtra 2,66,619 are the total COVID cases and recover cases are 1,11,740. In the Tamil Nadu, total COVID cases are 1,11,151 and recover cases are 62,778. In the Delhi, total COVID cases are 99,444 and recover cases are 71,309. In Gujarat, total COVID cases are 36,037 and recover cases are 25,892. In the Uttar Pradesh, total COVID cases are 27,707 and recover cases are 18,761. In the Telangana, total COVID cases are 23,902 and recover cases are 12,703. In West Bengal, total COVID cases are 22,126 and recover cases are 14,711. In Rajasthan, total COVID cases are 20,164, recover cases are 15,928. In Haryana, total COVID cases are 17,005 and recover cases are 12,944. In Madhya Pradesh, total COVID cases are 14,913, recover cases are 11,411. Union Health Ministry has said there are over 1,64,000 more recovered patients than the COVID-19 active cases. This takes the national recovery rate among the COVID-19 to 60.77%. And the government has said due to the collection and the focused effort for the containment and management of COVID-19 by the center along with the state and the union territories, the number of recovery cases are rose to the 4,90,000 during the last 24 hours. A total of the 14,856 COVID-19 patients have been cured. The Health Ministry said there are over the 2,44,000 active cases and all under the active medical supervision. The testing lab network in the country continues to expand. As of now, a local of the 1,100 laboratories across India have been approved to conduct COVID-19 tests. During the last 24 hours, around 2,49,000 samples have been tested and the cumulative number of the samples tested so far is more than 97,89,000. Kerala government has amended the state epidemic disease ordinance to extend the COVID control regulation till July 2021. This means the people will have to wear masks, maintain a social distancing and avoid a large gathering till the July 2021. The district collector have been instructed to ensure the compliance of the regulation. The week-long strength down lock Thiruvananthapuram came into the force this morning. All other non-national services will be shut and the shutdown will be the triple lockdown. Lock 1 will be restrict movement of all people in the district. Lock 2 will be enforced in the hot spot of the infection where the people will be the mandatorily asked to stay at home. And Lock 3 will be the enforced in the house of primary and the secondary contact of COVID-19 patient to be the compulsory room quarantine. Chennai has opened up from full lockdown to the unlock phase since early this morning while the complete lockdown continues. In the Madurai, for the other another week. In the Chennai, return to the unlock will have the few additional safeguard and the compared to the rest of state. Hotels in the state capitals deliver parcel services only till 9 in the evening, and the dine-in the facility continue to the bearer. The total COVID infection in the Tamil Nadu has crossed the 111,000 cases, with 4,150 people were the confirmed and positive yesterday. The State Health Department and the Chennai Corporation have been said that the situation of the Chennai is the witness of the remarkable stability in the COVID-19 active case load. Maharashtra's COVID-19 tally rose to 2,06,619 with the single-day spikes of the 6,555 the new cases on the Sunday, with the death of 151 more patients, and the state's the fatality count rose up 8,822. As per the State Health Department, a total of the 3,658 patients were the discharged from hospital post recovery on Sunday, which looked the number of recovery person and 1,11,740 so far. In the wake of the rising the number of patients, BMC has started rapid antigens testing for COVID-19 in Mumbai. In Rajasthan, record the 632 people have been tested positive for COVID-19 in the past 24 hours. A total of the 2,244 new confirmed cases of coronavirus have been reported in Delhi during the last 24 hours, taking a total number of cases to 99,444. Delhi government has confirmed that over 71,000 people affected with the coronavirus have been cured so far. In the last 24 hours, the 3,083 people have been recovered. The 63 deaths were reported in the national capital, taking the toll of 3067. In the Bihar, the number of positive cases of the coronavirus infection is increased rapidly. 404 new cases of coronavirus infected were reported in the last 24 hours, taking the tally of the 11,864 out of the 8,765 patients have been cured and discharged from the hospital, and 3,008 are undergoing treatment in the various hospitals. The state has recovery rate 74% and death due to the corona has mounted to 91. And the director of the Chief Health Services, Dr. Naveen Chandra Prasad, and his personal staff also tested the positive. The director of the IGIMS Patna, Dr. Manish Mandal, also tested the positive, and the director along with the 12 other doctors was sent for the home quarantine. The state government has ordered the closure of all the Shiva temple across the state in the view the pandemic during the month of the Sawan. Shravani Mela will not be organized. The state government has advised the devotees to perform puja at their home. The indigenous India COVID-19 vaccine are in the global race to end the coronavirus pandemic. Science and the Technology Minister said that the silver lining has appeared with the announcement of the Covaxin by the Bharat Biotech and the Zocov vaccine by the Zydus Cadila. Drug Controller General of the India has been given the nod for the conduct of the human trial for the vaccine. Air India will be operate the 36 flights between the United States and the India from the 11 July to 19 July under the Vande Bharat mission. Air India said tickets may be booked through Air India website only from the 8 p.m. today. Under the fourth phase of the Vande Bharat mission, Air India will be operate 170 flights connecting India with Canada and the US and the UK, Kenya, Sri Lanka, Philippines, Tanzania, Saudi Arab and Bangladesh, Thailand, South Africa, Russia, Australia, Myanmar, Japan, Ukraine, and the Vietnam. India had resumed the domestic passenger flight operation from May 25, 2020 after a gap of the 2 months due to the coronavirus-induced lockdown across the country. But international air travels is suspected as of now. India's Aviation Regulation Directorate General of the Civil Aviation DGCA has announced the international air travel to the from the India will remain the suspended till July 31st. The government has decided to open all the central protected monuments by the completely abiding and the safety protocol from today. Union Tourism Madhya Pradesh Singh Patel has said only those monuments and the museum which are in the non-containment zone will be open for the visitors. In Madhya Pradesh, shooting of the films, serials and the web series at the beautiful location of the state will be being soon. Madhya Pradesh Tourism Corporation has issued advisory for the shooting of the films and the serial due to the commitments for the shootings in the state. Economic activities will be encouraged which will provide the employment opportunity to the local people. The state government has also started Intezar Aapka campaign on the social media platform to attract the tourists. The Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board has been inviting tourists by describing the characteristic of each tourist designation in an attractive way with the tagline of the social media platform. After High Court of the verdict against the organized this year the Shravani Mela due to the pandemic, Jharkhand government has provided live online darshan by Baba Badrinath Dham and Aarti recitals from the Devghar. With the Shravan month beginning today, the district administration of the Devghar has been organized live Aarti and Darshan on from the Jyotirling through the state government website. Deputy Commissioner of the Devghar, Nancy told that the district administration has arranged the darshan twice in a day on the district administration website and social media page. In Uttar Pradesh, a new record was created yesterday by planting more than 25 crore sapling in a single day. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath congratulated various institutions and the government department for participating in the Van Mahotsav drive for the maintaining social distancing and said that despite the corona crisis, such big event can be held. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India on 7 July 2020. Again, if you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
शहर के पॉश इलाके 12 पत्थर में वाटिका रेस्टोरेंट आपकी सेवा में तत्पर है। अनलॉक 1 अनलॉक 2 के दौरान यहाँ आप सभी के लिए लजीज व्यंजन, पार्टीज़ के लिए हॉल, लॉन, बर्थडे पार्टी हो या शादी विवाह का मौका, आप यहाँ आकर पारिवारिक माहौल में हवादार कमरों के साथ, हवादार जगह के साथ आप अपने घरेलू जो भी उत्सव हैं, बर्थडे पार्टी है, जन्मदिवस की पार्टीज़ हैं, ये शादी विवाह हैं, किटी पार्टी हैं, आप यहाँ पर बहुत आसानी के साथ वाजिब दरों पर संपन्न करा सकते हैं। इसके साथ ही जबलपुर रोड पर वाटिका सेलिब्रेशन भी आपकी सेवा में है। वाटिका सेलिब्रेशन में एयर कंडीशन कमरे हैं, लॉन है, वाटरप्रूफ लॉन, बारिश के समय भी जहां आपको छत मिल सकती है, आप शादी, ब्याह, सगाई, जन्मदिवस की पार्टी, किटी पार्टीज आदि यहाँ कर सकते हैं। सैनिटाइजेशन के लिए भी यहाँ पर्याप्त व्यवस्थाएं रखी गई हैं। वाटिका रेस्टोरेंट 12 पत्थर सिवनी में, वाटिका सेलिब्रेशन जबलपुर रोड स्थित वाटिका सेलिब्रेशन में थोड़ा सा बड़ा स्पेस है, बड़ी जगह है। वाटिका रेस्टोरेंट 12 पत्थर में आपकी सेवा में ये चालू है। पधार कर एक बार सेवा का मौका अवश्य दें।